1. Anemia. A condition with low red blood cell levels. 2. Leukemia. Cancer of blood and bone marrow. 3. Polycythemia. Excessive production of red blood cells. 4. Colostomy. Surgical creation of an opening in the colon. 5. Tracheostomy. A surgical opening in the windpipe for breathing. 6. Ileostomy. Opening in the ileum for waste elimination. 7. Laparotomy. Surgical incision into the abdominal wall. 8. Craniotomy. Surgical opening of the skull. 9. Thoracotomy. Incision into the chest cavity. 10. Appendectomy. Surgical removal of the appendix. 11. Nephrectomy. Surgical removal of a kidney. 12. Mastectomy. Surgical removal of one or both breasts. 13. Colonoscopy. Examination of the colon using an endoscope. 14. Arthroscopy. Visual examination of a joint's interior. 15. Cystoscopy. Endoscopic examination of the bladder. 16. Amniocentesis. Procedure to extract amniotic fluid for testing. 17. Thoracentesis. Removal of fluid from the chest cavity. 18. Arthrocentesis. Fluid removal from a joint for analysis. 19. Rhinoplasty. Cosmetic or reconstructive nose surgery. 20. Angioplasty. Procedure to restore blood flow in blocked vessels. 21. Mammoplasty. Surgical alteration of breast shape or size. 22. Arthrodesis. Joint fusion surgery. 23. Pleurodesis. Procedure to stick pleural layers together. 24. Tenodesis. Surgical attachment of a tendon to a bone. 25. Otoscope. Instrument to examine the ear canal and eardrum. 26. Microscope. Device to magnify small objects for observation. 27. Endoscope. Instrument to visualize the inside of organs. 28. Neuralgia. Sharp pain along a nerve pathway. 29. Myalgia. Muscle pain or discomfort. 30. Cephalgia. Medical term for headache. 31. Diarrhea. Frequent loose or watery bowel movements. 32. Rhinorrhea. Excessive nasal discharge, runny nose. 33. Otria. Discharge from the ear. 34. Hemorrhage. Severe or uncontrolled bleeding. 35. Menorrhagia. Excessive menstrual bleeding. 36. Rhinorrhagia. Profuse nose bleeding. 37. Neuropathy. Damage or dysfunction of nerves. 38. Cardiomyopathy. Disease affecting the heart muscle. 39. Nephropathy. Kidney damage or disease. 40. Arthritis. Inflammation and stiffness of joints.